Okay, we are back with another day of plane spotting at London Gatwick. So, planes that we have currently, we have a Ryanair 737. That is, I don't know, taxiing to gate probably. We have American 737-300 headed to the runway. I'm pretty sure we have a Qatar 777. I think that's a special livery. I don't think that's a regular livery. And then we have an EasyJet. Or Sunwing, sorry. I thought that was EasyJet from the glance. I was moving the camera. So, let's see. Are any of these gonna take off right now? Let's look at this Sunwing, because he looks like he's gonna take off. And it's a Sunwing. I don't think you'd usually see Sunwing. There's a fighter jet over there. Okay. So, we have Sunwing 737, probably headed to Grand Canaria. That's the most common airport that flies from here to here, or from here to there. It's not gonna take off for a while, so let's see. American Airlines still taxiing. Okay, let's actually see the American Airlines. It's gonna take off pretty soon, and then we have Ryanair. So they're gonna fight for a spot, I guess. No, I'm just kidding. This guy should go first. He has the right way. He's right at the runway. And realistically, you shouldn't power up through this area. You line up here, where the, okay, maybe he's gonna wait. You line up here. Oh no, maybe these get the right away. I don't know who gets the right away. Because if you wait here, this is what you're supposed to do. Come here, wait here. But you can go here and wait here. Because you're not supposed to take off on here. This isn't the runway. This is where you line up, like, so people can, like, line up, right? So you can have a huge line of planes. You can line up, go here, and then take off. You're not supposed to just take off from here. So, at least I don't think you're supposed to take off from here. Looks like Ryanair got the clear first from ATC. Ryanair, good day. That flight is a 1 hour and 30-minute flight, I think. And liftoff. V1 rotates. It's nice when people know how to fly, actually. There's the Boeing factory, or Boeing, like, hangar, I guess you'd call it. I don't know what you'd call it. I know they have a factory. Gears going up. Good day. Alright. Back on the ground here. It is American's turn, I think. Qatar still not getting a move on. It is American's turn. Let's just quickly take a screenshot of that. The fighter jet's still flying around, but do we got any arrivals? Sunwing about to take off, so I don't know who's gonna get the go first. Usually you wouldn't go down from there and take off. Usually you take off from the closer area, but maybe they had a further gate. But it's kind of nice because then you can see them take off. I mean, either way is close, but I think here would be closer because you're on the further end here if you're taking off there, so you can see the lift off a bit better. But that's not usually going to happen from here. So, yeah. And if American decides to go, they could pull up before the Sunwing. There's the fighter jet. Just doing some stuff. Going back to Sunwing. Ooh, camera skills are a bit wobbly. Sunwing taking off. Sunwing, WestJet, Flare. Sunwing, WestJet, Flare are like all Canadian, because it has a Canadian thing. Look at that shot. That is nice.
262, 21 miles, 27 right.
Trying to keep up.
KLM 57 Alpha, speed 16 knots.
Look at that. That is nice. And come on, put your gears up anytime now. Alrighty. Now it is time for American's departure. Off of runway 26 left here at Grand Canary, or sorry, Gatwick, London Gatwick International Airport. Not many planes in today, so you know it's not really. It's about high flow traffic right now. We got cockpit cam activated. Pilots. Look at those engines. Yeah.
7 miles, right, let's do some right. Still with me, sir, 1187, please. Sorry. You got 731, kind of the sound, 18.7, goodbye. 187, 731, cheers.
Well, it's got like enough to fill the full body of the aircraft.
London 809, 24 miles, 27 right. 7809.
Alright, American cleared for takeoff from runway 26 left, headed to Menorca, I think, which is a 2-hour flight on the dot.
David 62, descent to altitude 4,000 feet. 4,000 feet with 62. London 809, speed 180.
Pause, or view on rotate. Are you gonna put your gears in up in time and unlike that other? Yeah, there we go. Alright, gears up. Nice. American Airlines in the sky. And there's the fighter jet just doing random things that fighter jets do. Is he coming in for a landing? Wow, that's you don't see much fighter jets. Oh, he's just doing a low runway flyby, which is kind of dangerous. I mean, if you have aircraft that are trying to do their regular thing. Still got no aircraft currently, so yeah, I just gotta wait for them. There's a decent amount of people and more people can join. Like, guess it's just a waiting game at this point. Okay, so we have I'm not exactly sure what airline that is, but they're pushing back from a gate over there. Actually, it's not, you know, one of the gates up front. Maybe this means more planes will be coming in. Thai Lion, 777, Thai Lion 777. It's a pretty nice livery. Sorry, let me turn back on ATC.
Lot 279, speed now, 220 knots.
Even though it's not actual, like, this game's ATC, it's, you know, it adds some depth to the realism. Look at that, it's gonna come head on. Look at that. That's picture worthy right there. There we go. As it taxis, let's look around. Qatar 777 still not moving. Probably never will. or it's grounded till later maybe. be one of those. Back onto the 777 line.
With your call sign only 120.4. Bye.
Alrighty. Looks like he's doing a turn and burn, maybe. There, we got a turn and burn from the Thai Lion 777. Listen to those engines. This flight is a 3-hour, 45-minute flight. So, yeah. So it's good that they're in a 777. 777s are very efficient and can go long distances. Doesn't beat the A380 or 747 though. Which they don't have in this game and they probably never will. Well, I wouldn't say never, but you know, not for a long time. Gear up. Alrighty. And now we're left with dead silence at Gatwick Airport.